To install WordPress locally on PC for learning and testing purposes, you need to set up a local server. I used AMPS, which is recommended on WordPress.org website. AMPS is a stack of tools required to run local server for developers. It includes Apache, MySQL, PHP, etc. So I downloaded and then installed AMPS on my computer. I changed default installation folder to avoid the potential problems with spaces in the file names. After installing and launching Firewall Access, I got an error message. I noticed that MySQL was running but Apache wasn't, which meant that another program was using port 80. To find out which program was that, I used netstat. That showed that port 80 was used by process ID 2224. In Task Manager, I found out that the program with process ID 2224 was Skype. To solve the problem, I had two options: terminate Skype or change the port it used. The first option meant I wouldn't be able to use Skype, so I went for the second option. In advanced settings in Skype, I unchecked Use Port 80 option. Then I restarted my computer for the changes to take effect. Next, I went to WordPress.org, downloaded the latest version of WordPress, and then zipped WordPress file into www folder in AMPS folder. Next, I set up a database for WordPress. After making sure that Apache is running, I went to AMPS Home, clicked Add Database, and created new database. Next, I opened WordPress in browser using localhost, where I entered database connection details. As you can see, I used the name of database I just created before, and also username root and password MySQL, which are default. After I submitted the details, all I had to do is click Installing Now and fill the last form where I created site title, username and password. Clicked Install, then logged in, and finally got my WordPress installed where I could start working on my project.